Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Hub. Today I am going to share some MCQs on about diagnostic test and their value. These questions are very important in upcoming exams of staff nurse, lab technician and pharmacist exams. So now let's see. Question number first. Webster test is done to diagnose. There are four options: A. Eye problem, B. Hearing loss, C. Respiratory problem and D. Cardiac problem. Right answer is B. Hearing loss. Next question. Question number second. Neisseria, gonorrhea, trypanosoma pallidum and chlamydia trachomatis are isolated from the A. Urine culture, B. Genital tract culture, C. Sputum culture and D. Stool culture. Right answer is B. Genital tract culture. Next question. Question number 3. Normal blood cholesterol level is option A 30 to 50 mg%, B 70 to 90 mg%, C 5 to 8 mg% and D 150 to 250 mg%. Right answer is D 150 to 250 mg% is a normal cholesterol level. Next question. Decreased blood sugar level is found in A. Insulinoma, B. Hypothyroidism, C. Extension liver disease and D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next question. Question number 5. Normal sugar level of cerebrospinal fluid is A. 40 to 60 mg per dl, B. 650 to 750 mg per dl, C. 5 to 10 mg per dl and D. 20 to 40 mg per dl. Right answer is A. 40 to 60 mg per dl is a normal sugar level of CSF. Next question. Question number 6. What is the normal portal vein pressure? A. 80 to 120 mm of Hg, B. 12 to 16 mm of Hg, C. 5 to 10 mm of Hg and D. 24 to 28 mm of Hg. Right answer is C. 5 to 10 mm of Hg is a normal portal vein pressure. Next question. When assessing fluid loss resulting from burn, the best blood test is A. ESR or erythrocyte sedimentation rate, B. BUN or blood urea nitrogen, C. Hematocrit value and D. blood pH. Right answer is C. Hematocrit value. Next question. Urine output less than 400 ml per day is A. Oligouria, B. Polyuria, C. Anuria and D. hematuria. Right answer is A. Oligouria. Urine output less than 400 ml per day is a oliguria. Next question. Renal glycosuria is seen when blood sugar level is A. more than 100 mg%, B. more than 200 mg%, C. more than 180 mg% and D. more than 50 mg%. Right answer is C. more than 180 mg%. Renal glycosuria is seen when blood sugar level is more than 180 mg%. Next question. Tarry or black colored stool is seen in A. piles, B. anal fissures, C. upper gastrointestinal bleeding, D. lower GI hemorrhage or gastrointestinal hemorrhage. Right answer is C. upper GI bleeding. Tarry or black colored stool is seen in the upper GI bleeding. Next question. Order of feces is due to A. phosphate, B. chlorides, C. nitrates and D. indole. Right answer is D. indole. Order of feces is due to indole. Next question. Proctoscopy is used to inspect A. lower rectum, B. ureter, C. bladder and D. uterus. Right answer is A. lower rectum. Proctoscopy is used to inspect lower rectum. Next question. The test that is most specific for myocardial damage is A. CKMB, B. troponin 1, C. myoglobin, D. CK. Right answer is A, CKMB. CKMB is the test that is most specific for myocardial damage. Next question. The child's apical pulse is always checked before administering digoxin. The drug is not given if a pulse rate is A, below 90 to 110 beats per minute, B, above 90 to 110 beats per minute, C, less than 60 beats per minute, and D, more than 150 beats per minute. Right answer is A, below 90 to 110 beats per minute. Next question. How much blood is drawn from a donor when 1 unit of blood is donated? A, 100 ml, B, 200 ml, C, 300 ml, and D, 400 ml. Right answer is D, 400 ml. Next question. Which specimen is used for occult blood test? A, stool, B, urine, C, blood, and D, sputum. Right answer is A, stool. Next question. A condition of pregnancy in which amount of amniotic fluid is more than 2000 ml is known as A, multiple pregnancy, B, polyhydramnios, C, oligohydramnios, and D, complete abortion. Right answer is B, polyhydramnios. Next question. Management of polyhydramnios includes A, dilatation and curettage, B, dilatation and evacuation, C, forceps delivery, and D, amnio reduction. Right answer is D, amnio reduction. Next question. The investigation which is performed to diagnose ectopic pregnancy. A, sonography, B, laparoscopy, C, serum progesterone level, and D, all of the above. Right answer is D, all of the above. Next question. The procedure which is generally used in case of abortion is A, dilatation and evacuation, B, LSCS, C, episiotomy, D, artificial rupture of membrane. Right answer is A, D and E, dilatation and evacuation. Next question. The average amount of discharge for the first 5 to 6 days after delivery is about A, 50 to 100 ml, B, 500 to 800 ml, C, 200 to 250 ml, and D, 1000 to 1200 ml. Right answer is C, 200 to 250 ml. Next question. During sonography, snowstorm appearance is seen in A, ectopic pregnancy, B, hydatidiform mole, C, multiple pregnancy, and D, polyhydramnios. Right answer is B, hydatidiform mole. In hydatidiform mole, during the sonography, snowstorm is seen. Next question. Sign and symptoms of oligohydramnios include except A, fetal movement are less, B, uterine size is more than the period of gestation, C, intrauterine growth retardation of fetus, and D, malpresentation may occurs. Right answer is B, uterine size is more than the period of gestation. Next question. What is the normal glomerular filtration rate or GFR rate? Option A, 125 ml per minute, B, 200 ml per minute, C, 400 ml per minute, and D, 500 ml per minute. Right answer is A, 125 ml per minute is a normal glomerular filtration rate. Next question. What do you mean by macrosomia? A, abnormally large uterus, B, increased number of chromosomes, C, large size newborn weighing more than 4 kg, and D, abnormally large fetal fontanelles. Right answer is C, large size newborn weighing more than the 4 kg. It's known as the macrosomia. Next question. Elevated alpha fetoprotein in amniotic fluid is seen in A, antepartum hemorrhage, B, postpartum hemorrhage, C, eclampsia, and D, neural tube defect. Right answer is D, neural tube defect. In neural tube defect, increased the alpha fetoprotein level in amniotic fluid. Next question. Bleeding after 24 hours of delivery is considered as postpartum hemorrhage. A. When blood loss is more than 500 ml. B. When the blood loss is more than 700 ml. C. When blood loss is more than 100 ml. And D. When blood loss is more than 50 ml. Right answer is when blood loss is more than 500 ml after the 24 hours of delivery is considered as a PPH or postpartum hemorrhage. Next question. Golden color of amniotic fluid is seen in A. Post-maturity, B. Fetal distress, C. Intrauterine death, and D. RH incompatibility. Right answer is D. RH incompatibility. In RH incompatibility, golden colors of amniotic fluid is seen. Next question. Blood sample from a patient with malaria should be collected. A. After taking meal. B. At the peak of fever. C. When fever is just started. And D. When temperature is normal. Right answer is B. At the peak of fever. Next question. Sick test is done to identify A. Polio, B. Diphtheria, C. Mumps, and D. Measles. Right answer is B. Diphtheria. Sick test is done to identify the diphtheria. Next question. What is the average amount of pleural fluid in the pleural cavity? A. 10 to 20 ml, B. 100 to 200 ml, C. 40 to 50 ml, and D. 100 to 200 ml. Right answer is a 10 to 20 ml. 10 to 20 ml is the average amount of pleural fluid in the pleural cavity. Next question. Histamine test is used to diagnose A. Leprosy, B. Malaria, C. Tuberculosis, and D. Polio. Right answer is A. Leprosy. Histamine test is used to diagnose the leprosy. Next question. Which is a good cholesterol? A. HDL, B. LDL, C. VLDL, and D. TG. Right answer is HDL. HDL is a good cholesterol. Next question. Lepromin test is used to diagnose A. Leprosy, B. Malaria, C. Tuberculosis, and D. Diphtheria. Right answer is A. Leprosy. Lepromin test is used to diagnose leprosy. Next question. Sealing test is used to detection of A. Folic acid deficiency, B. cyanocobalamin deficiency, C. Iron deficiency, and D. Iodine deficiency. Right answer is B. Cyanocobalamin deficiency. Chilling test is used to detection of cyanocobalamin deficiency. Next question. Which test is undertaken to measure the amount activity replicating HIV virus, which help to know the progress and relapse of ART drugs? Option A. HIV viral load test, B. CD4 percentage, C. Western blot test, and D. CD4 count. Right answer is A. HIV viral load test. Next question. Which method or test is used for hemoglobin estimation? A. Nitric acid test, B. Rother's test, C. Snellen's chart, and D. Sahil's method. Right answer is D. Sahil's method. Next question. Mountex test is the sensitivity test for tuberculosis detection. Mountex test is an A. Intradermal test, B. IV test, C. IM or intramuscular test, and D. Subcutaneous test. Right answer is A. Intradermal test. Next question. In following which test is done to find out susceptibility to scarlet fever? A. Sick test, B. Mountex test, C. Dick test, and D. Vidal test. Right answer is C. Dick test. Because a Vidal test is used for the diagnosis of typhoid. Dick test is for scarlet fever, Mountex test for tuberculosis, and Sick test for the diphtheria. Next question. Will's Felix test is done to diagnose A. Malaria, B. Typhus fever, C. Typhoid fever, and D. Tuberculosis. Right answer is B. Typhus fever. Will-Flex test is done to diagnose the typhus fever. Next question. In following, which method is used to diagnose AIDS? A. ELISA test, B. Western blot test, C. Radio immunoprecipitation assay, and D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Thank you for watching.